Hello everyone, welcome to QuickBook Mastery. In this video, we will talk about what is audit log. Anytime you or your company user does something, record it into audit log. You can access the audit log from this gear icon and then select audit log. From the audit log, you can see every event that have happened in your QuickBook Online company file along with the username that have performed that event with the different time range. With the passage of time, audit log become very long and you have to become very difficult to find a particular transaction which you want to check. So you can filter your data with these inputs. If you are looking for something that a particular user does, so you can see the username from the list of user. In this case, the only user is Ruxana and nothing else. So uh, as not this user does these transaction and this user does these transactions. So you, according to your need, you can change different usernames, and there is also a different time range. So you can also check according to your need. If I put this week, so only two transaction is displayed over here. You can check your mistake with a transaction by changing the amount or by deleting or editing the transaction. This is all about audit log. Thank you.